Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to take a look at a Romanian AKM stock set from Atlantic Firearms. Now they advertise these on their website for in NRA fair or better. Some of them look pretty rough. I have no idea what to expect, but if you want an AKM stock set for your Romanian, AKM 63, or I think it's a MD 63 or whatever, or one of your G kits. This is probably one of the only ways you can get a full stock set with the Dong grip or the forward grip, whatever you want to call it. Just those lower handguards will run you easily $80 now. I don't know why. Apparently they've gotten quite popular. They weren't popular 10 years ago, but for whatever reason now they're unobtainium. But if you guys bought one of those barreled AKM or Romanian Model 63 kits or barreled rifles, whatever it is, if you got one from Arms of America like the one I got up here, let's say the stock wasn't up to your liking, here's a potential possibility of maybe getting a nicer one. I don't know what this is going to look like. You guys are going to find out, just like I'm going to find out. Is it a bust or is it a good investment? I don't know, but let's find out together, so that you guys will have some sort of idea what to expect. I think they're getting more of these back in stock. They might have them in stock right now at the time of this filming, but at least it'll give you an idea of what to expect if you decide to go out and order one. It does come packaged pretty nicely. Gotta hand it to them for that. But the question is, how bad is it really gonna look? You can, of course, see that their label here, Romanian stock set surplus, acquisition date 4/21, so very recent. But let's see how bad it is. It says fair or better. Hopefully it's nice. Oh, look at this. Well, I'm going to have to go back and insert the description here because actually I don't think it came with a dong. Now that I think about it, it might have just had the palm swell. I'll correct myself via text in here as I go back through this, because I really do have a hard time remembering everything. But that is a really nice, I mean, it's worn, but that's a pretty nice lower handguard. It is serialized 0933, which is kind of strange. I didn't expect that. That's a nice lower handguard. So if you got a forward grip and it's busted, that's an alternative. There's our upper handguard with the clip that fell out. Looks like it probably needs to be bent back out and shoved back in there, but some wear on it for sure, but it's probably still usable. Sorry, try to show you guys a little bit better rundown of it. You can see that collar around here is very thin. So there is our pistol grip. Typical Romanian surplus. I didn't expect it to be extravagant. And here is our buttstock. Once again, looks like battlefield pickup style. Kind of some nicks in the laminate back here. Trap door. Could use a little bit of work. They did say fair or better condition, so I can't complain too much on that. Does have the sling swivel intact. And the screw holes for mounting it don't look that bad either. So there is the Romanian stock set. I'll just kind of do it like this, and of course you're not going to stay there. Let's just try to do that. Well, let's do this. Okay, well, things just aren't going to play nice today. And there's the grip. Once again, 80 bucks. Is it worth it? I don't know. Let me reference my invoice just says Romanian, surplus Romanian stock set. But anyway, there's one of those, Atlantic Firearms. I do like this older style, to be honest. And you just don't see the older wood that much. You see the newer ones, but it's kind of nice for the nostalgia purposes. Plus, if you got a battlefield pickup style from Arms of America, and let's say your stock set is something to be desired, or you order one without a stock set, Here's your stock set. So, to the best of my knowledge, I think AIM Surplus still has these in stock. Once again, 80 bucks a piece. If you guys are looking for one, there's a source for it. Complete stock set. As always, guys, make sure you keep in mind your 922R compliance. Be very careful about that. I am not offering you any legal advice. You need to go research this stuff for yourself. Just make sure you don't violate it, because it's on the books. So just letting you know. So keep that in mind if you swap out wood or anything like that for any of your AK style weapons. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. A big thank you to my subscribers, and thank you guys for all your likes, your shares, your comments. And until next time, you guys have a great day.